Hello all, welcome to Value Trades channel. Hope you are all doing good. So we have followed this strategy and I wanted to share today's position wherein we have followed this strategy and we have made a very good decent amount with just one lot. So let me take you to the position that we have created and I have recorded this video. Let me bring that video to you. So here is a video. You can see very clearly that with just one lot, a profit of 9,000 has already been made. In fact, we have booked the profit at somewhere near 790. Having this as a risk because the risk was very limited against the reward that was available, and we have almost captured this entire move right from 509 to 795, almost at 770, 780 we have squared off our positions. So with one lot we have made a good money of more than 12,000 for today. So this is I just wanted to share this with you so that you guys are aware that if the strategy works, how good it works, and even with one lot, how much you can earn on any given day if you are strictly following the strategy. So now let me get into the next part of the video wherein let's try to understand what is that we can expect for the market to be doing for tomorrow. So as far as tomorrow's positions are concerned, it appears that market, it is the first priority is most likely the case it would be that market might tend to remain within a certain range for tomorrow, be it on Nifty or be it on Bank Nifty. This is highly possible because once a market makes a certain move, a certain rally, it tends to consolidate for certain days before actually moving any further, before taking up any direction. And as I have already said in my earlier videos as well, I will never take a position against the established trend. So I'm not looking out for any CE opportunities. I'm only looking out for a PE opportunities, because be it on both Bank Nifty and Nifty, you can see that there is a very clear channel that is already established for a bear, be it on Nifty or be it on the Bank Nifty as well. Okay, so this being the reason that I wouldn't wish to make any trade against the established trend which is bear. So we'll only be searching for opportunities for tomorrow which are bearish in outlook. So now let us go to the premium charts and let's find out if we have any possibilities for tomorrow. So this is a possibility that the market has given us for today, wherein you can see that as that this previous day high was broken out, we will be calculating the risk to reward. Here you can see that very clearly the risk that was associated was 44 rupees against the first target which happens to be on 106. So the risk to reward was justifying to 1:2. That was the reason for which we have executed the trade. Hope I am clear with this. So this is 48,500 put, and it is very important to book your profits. We have booked the profits at somewhere at 440 once this target was achieved. If people do not book the profits, there is a high chance that the market might completely take a reversal and take away your entire profits and give you losses as well. Okay, so remember that it is very important to trail your profits and take out your positions once the targets are achieved. Now let's move to the tomorrow's possibility. Why did I say that there is a little possibility for any rally to make further is because it is usually understood, the way that I see it comes from the premium charts. Now it is quite difficult as the market has ended both on 22,500 put and 48,500 put of Nifty and Bank Nifty respectively. They have closed at a price of 58 rupees and 145 rupees respectively. Okay, so it is quite difficult that when we can make a position. Our positions can only be built if 87 is taken out on 22,500 and 454 is taken out on 48,500 of Bank Nifty respectively. Okay, so till this is achieved, the positions cannot be made. So it is very clear that to make such rallies, it is very difficult in one day. And even if it happens, the risk to reward becomes very huge against the reward that is available. The risk becomes really huge, right? So that is the reason usually I understand that maybe tomorrow the market might set within a range, might get established here, and this might get settled here, so that for the next day the market might give you a good risk to reward. It has to come out with a good risk to reward. So probably in the next day or the day after establishing these highs, then the next day we might think of taking our position because of the risk becomes limited of the high that would be broken could be somewhere around 60. These are just these are just assumptions. I'm just giving you as an example. Okay, if tomorrow if the 48,500 makes a high of 173, and then if 173 is broken with a very little risk, then you can start aiming for 454 with a limited risk and having a good reward against it. So usually whenever the market has to make a up move, it tends to settle for 1 or 2 days and then give an opportunity for the on the next upcoming day to make the further rally, so that the risk to reward becomes good. And if it is not the case, if it breaks out this 87 and 454, yes, according to the strategy, we might not be able to make any positions because the risk to reward is not justifying. Now, so for tomorrow, let me come out with this chart which is on Sensex, as tomorrow is the Sensex expiry. So let me make this chart big, and whenever. Now you see, today, as far as today's movement is concerned, yesterday's high is taken out. Day before yesterday high is also taken out. Even this high is taken out, right? So all these highs are taken out. Now the only possibility, usually whenever the market has to make a move, is this happens to be the existing high, which is at 165, right? This is the today's high. So as this high is taken out, this high is also taken out, and this high is also taken out. The only high that is next available is at 211. And whenever the market has to generally make such moves, especially on expiry days, it tends to come and take the stop losses of these people and then rally further. That is the reason for which I have targeted this, and tomorrow I will be taking positions on 74,200 put of Sensex, and I will be targeting trying to accumulate somewhere at 18 to 25 rupees. Somewhere to 18 to 25 rupees would be my buy range, with a target of initially 165 and 211 respectively. Okay, so tomorrow this could be a very good opportunity against a very limited risk of 20 rupees. There could be a good reward of 1:10, which is, or 1:8, which is either 165 or 211. So let's see tomorrow what the market has to offer to us. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Stay connected.